it's Darian from TNT Plant-ery, and today we'll be doing a brief walkthrough of the backyard garden. We're growing hot peppers, we're growing banana peppers, and we're growing bell peppers. I believe in recycling, so instead of going to the store and buying actual tomato stakes, I just recycle old sticks or poles to tie the tomatoes to. Grow your own food. See, herbs, we have chocolate mint, peppermint, berries and cream mint, spearmint, lavender, stevia, rosemary, sage, and oregano. I also have strawberry. My strawberries aren't doing too good. I kind of had a pest problem, so I had to trim it back and start over. So I may not get many strawberries this year, but I believe we can shake back by next year. Fig tree. I started growing it last year, so this is a year's worth of growth. And a blackberry bush. Amaranth, red garnet amaranth. Radishes. Radishes only take about 3 weeks to maybe a month to grow. I planted them last week, so I should have some red radishes poking through the dirt within the next week or two. Green beans, basil, a bed of okra, I also tied some sticks and rope together to make a homemade trellis for these cucumbers over here to climb. Remember, it's all about saving money. You don't have to spend a lot to grow your own food, just use what you have. We're growing watermelon. As you can see, it's just spreading everywhere. Flowered, and as you can see, there's a small watermelon starting to grow. So we should have some watermelon soon as well.